We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive and unbiased look at the HUONUL Makeup Mirror Vanity Mirror with lights, featuring 2x, 3x, and 10x magnification, touch control, trifold design, and dual power options. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The HUONUL Makeup Mirror is a standout in the world of personal beauty accessories, consistently ranking as a top seller and earning thousands of positive reviews for its thoughtful design, performance, and affordability. This product is designed for anyone seeking precise makeup application, grooming, or even contact lens insertion, and it has found a devoted following among casual users and beauty enthusiasts alike. The first thing users notice about the HUONUL Makeup Mirror is its sleek, modern appearance. The white finish is clean and neutral, blending seamlessly into a variety of decor styles, whether placed on a bedroom dresser, bathroom counter, or dedicated vanity. The mirror measures approximately 9.4 inches in length and 13.4 inches in width, providing ample surface area for both close-up and wide-angle viewing. Despite its generous size, users report that the mirror remains lightweight and easy to move, weighing just about 1 pound. This makes it suitable for both stationary use at home and for packing in a travel bag when needed. A defining feature of the HUONUL Makeup Mirror is its trifold design. This setup includes a central main mirror flanked by 2 side panels, each offering different magnification strengths. The 2x and 3x panels are ideal for detailed makeup work, such as contouring, eyebrow shaping, or eyeliner application, while the detachable 10x magnification mirror is particularly valued for tasks that demand extreme precision, like tweezing or applying false lashes. The trifold design also serves a protective function, keeping the mirrors free from dust and scratches when closed. Users appreciate the ability to fold the mirror shut, making it compact for storage or travel, and note that the side panels move smoothly and allow for a customizable viewing angle. Lighting is a critical aspect of any makeup mirror, and the HUONUL model excels in this area. It features 21 built-in LED bulbs, providing bright, even illumination across the entire mirror surface. The touch-sensitive control panel allows users to adjust the brightness with a simple, long press, making it easy to adapt to different lighting conditions, whether applying makeup in the early morning or in a dimly lit room. Many users highlight the convenience of this touch control, noting that it eliminates the need for physical switches and enables quick adjustments on the fly. The brightness range is wide, accommodating everything from subtle ambient lighting to intense illumination for meticulous work. However, some reviewers mention that the LED lights emit a cool white tone, which may not perfectly replicate natural sunlight or the warmer tones of incandescent bulbs. While this is a minor drawback for some, the consensus is that the lighting quality is more than sufficient for most beauty routines. Another major advantage of the HUONUL Makeup Mirror is its dual power supply system. Users can choose between plugging the mirror into a USB outlet using the included cable or powering it with 4 AAA batteries for cordless operation. This flexibility is especially appreciated by those who travel frequently or have limited access to electrical outlets. The USB option is convenient for daily use at home, while the battery option ensures portability and ease of use on the go. Several users note that the mirror performs reliably on both power sources, though batteries are not included in the package. The inclusion of the USB cable is a thoughtful touch, and the mirror's low power consumption means that batteries tend to last a reasonable amount of time between replacements. The HUONUL Makeup Mirror is also praised for its adjustability. The main mirror can be tilted to various angles, allowing users to find the perfect position for their needs. This is particularly useful when working at different heights or in spaces where lighting conditions change throughout the day. The touch controls are intuitive and responsive, giving users precise control over the mirror's functions. Assembly is straightforward, with most users reporting that the mirror is easy to set up right out of the box. The overall build quality is described as solid, with the mirror feeling secure and stable when placed on a flat surface. Some reviewers mention that the base does not bend, so it is important to ensure the mirror is positioned on a stable surface to prevent tipping. In terms of daily use, the HUONUL Makeup Mirror receives high marks for versatility. The multiple magnification options cater to a wide range of tasks, from general makeup application to detailed grooming. The 10x magnification in particular is singled out as a valuable tool for close-up work, though users caution that it is extremely zoomed in and best reserved for tasks like tweezing or lash application. The 2x and 3x panels are more suitable for broader makeup tasks and provide a clear, distortion-free view. The main mirror, while not magnified, offers a generous viewing area for overall styling and finishing touches. Users who wear contact lenses or require detailed facial care find the magnification options especially helpful. Portability is another strong point. Many reviewers mention that the mirror's compact, foldable design makes it easy to pack for travel, whether for business trips, vacations, or even camping. The lightweight construction ensures that it does not add significant bulk to luggage, and the trifold design protects the mirror surfaces during transit. The dual power options further enhance its suitability for travel, as users can rely on batteries when electrical outlets are not available. The mirror's size strikes a balance between being large enough for effective use and small enough for convenient transport. Customer service from the HUONUL brand is frequently highlighted in user reviews. In cases where products arrived with defects or malfunctions, the company responded quickly and provided replacements without hassle. This commitment to customer satisfaction has contributed to the brand's positive reputation and high ratings. The mirror currently holds a 4.4-star average from over 19,000 ratings, reflecting widespread approval from a diverse user base. Despite its many strengths, the HUONUL Makeup Mirror is not without its limitations. A minority of users expressed disappointment with the lighting, describing it as insufficiently bright or too cool in tone for their preferences. Some also find the mirror to be smaller or lighter than expected, which can affect stability on certain surfaces. The base does not bend or fold, so users must ensure it is placed securely to prevent accidental tipping. A few reviewers report that the mirror does not always hold its position when tilted upward, occasionally drifting out of place. While these issues are relatively uncommon, they are worth considering for those with specific requirements for their makeup mirror. For its price point, the HUONUL Makeup Mirror is widely regarded as offering excellent value. Users who were initially skeptical due to the affordable cost often report being pleasantly surprised by the mirror's performance and feature set. The combination of adjustable LED lighting, multiple magnification options, trifold protection, and dual power supply is rarely found in products at this price level. The mirror's stylish design and solid construction further enhance its appeal, making it a popular choice for personal use and as a gift. It is frequently recommended for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions, particularly for teenagers, makeup enthusiasts, and anyone looking to upgrade their beauty routine. In summary, the HUONUL Makeup Mirror Vanity Mirror with light stands out as a well-designed, versatile, and affordable addition to any vanity or bathroom. Its trifold design, multiple magnification options, and adjustable LED lighting make it suitable for a wide range of beauty and grooming tasks. The dual power supply offers flexibility for both home and travel use, while the sleek, modern appearance ensures it complements any decor. While there are some minor drawbacks, such as the cool tone of the LED lights and occasional stability issues, the overwhelming majority of users are highly satisfied with their purchase. The mirror's popularity and high customer ratings are a testament to its quality and functionality. If you are in the market for a reliable, feature-rich makeup mirror, the HUONUL model is a top contender. Remember, if you own this mirror, please share your experience in the comments to help others make an informed decision. For more information and to support the channel, the link to the product is in the description.